Konkani Karwari style mutton curry with coconut. Welcome to our channel. Food recipes by SAS. Long chopped onions 4 numbers medium sized. Ginger garlic chopped. Add oil to the pan. Onions to the pan. Let it fry till it is light brown. Add coriende leaves, ginger, garlic, chives. And let it fry. Add grated coconut. Mix it well. And let it fry. Do subscribe us, like the video, share and hit the bell icon to get updates on the latest recipes. Your support is very much required for us to keep us motivated to make more such videos. Add turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Add garam masala 4 teaspoon. Here we have used our own homemade garam masala. Mix it well. Switch off the flame and let it to cool. Grind the masala to fine paste. Add the fine paste to pan. Keep the pressure cooked mutt ready. Then add the cooked mutton to gravy. Add coriander leaves to the gravy. Add salt to taste. And mix it well. Now let it boil for some time. At last add lemon to gravy and mix well. Thanking for watching. If you have any request on any food recipes, do comment, let us know. We will try our best to share the recipe.